The author expressed an idea that modern readers inevitably cannot accept.
Organizational failure is considered from various perspectives in academic literature. Organic food is grown without applying chemicals, and the process is without artificial additives.
The college welcomes students from all over the world. The contest includes both the land history and the human history.